If you're currently recording downtime on paper, then you're probably missing minor stops. Minor stops would normally be any stop less than 5 minutes that is not necessarily seen by the human eye or recorded on paper. These could be anything from jams, short breakdowns that are easily fixed, or other minor stops. Reduced speed is the second of the 3 hidden performance losses and often the easiest one to fix. With the human eye, it's very difficult to tell if your production line is running at 200 units per minute or 150. By having a real-time capture system, these losses can easily be visualized. Our third hidden performance loss is idling. What happens when there are small gaps in production that make their way and cascade through the line, caused by maybe small jams, fallen bottles, or incorrect cleaning or setup processes? Again, very difficult to spot with the human eye.